Parking Smarter back again. So today I want to show you people how to make money by just uploading video in a website that will monetize your video instantly and then pay you back. Any type of video, any kind of video, any seconds of your videos, you can just upload it there any amount or any time that you want. If you want less than 1 hour, if you want 30 seconds, anything that you want, that you prefer to do as a video. Is even when you want, you can put a TikTok video also there, and these people will just monetize your videos instantly. So what we're gonna do is just come to Google and write rumble.com. So I get sign up now. What I'm gonna do, this is what they're gonna show you instantly when you just open the page. Okay, they will ask your username, your name, your password, you repeat your password, your email address, and the player. If you want packaging, you can use this. You can use it and pay to make your videos and things go faster. But what you're gonna do is you have to agree the term and the condition. You just click here, it will go to the next page, and when you put on that, no need for you to pay. Then they will give you the possibility to upload video. They will ask you what kind of video do you want to make, you want to promote, so you just go and and sign up for promote videos. Okay, so when you came here, what you're gonna do is you have to upload your videos. But I'm gonna show you in a very, very faster way how you people can get a video in YouTube without copyright. Okay, so what you're gonna do is go to YouTube. When you go to YouTube, and you have to search for anything that you want. Okay, so let's say prank. Okay, this one says prank versus prank him, John video original. Okay, so this video get 300,000 views. Okay, so to get this video to be free from YouTube is you can even download this video and upload it in YouTube without a copyright. So I'm gonna make a video about that also. Okay, so you came to Creative Commons. So you see what is there here now. They give you these videos that you can watch for free without a copyright and it is real. It is 100% real. Okay, so what you're gonna do is just click the video and go down, scroll down. Okay, in the description you click the video down. You see here they have Creative Commons Attribution Licensing Result Allowed. So you see some used to add here says you are free to share and adapt for any purpose, even commercially, as long as you provide an attribution back to my YouTube channel. Thanks. So how can you do that? If you want to re-upload this in YouTube, you will also put the person name there, something like that. But I'm going to talk about that and I'll show you people how you people can do that again. So what we're going to do is you have to download this video, or no need for us to download the video. Just click here, then copy it. When you copy it, what you're gonna do next is you have to download this video. So how can you download this video? Very easy. You can go to Google and write free YouTube downloader. So here you see lots of it. Okay, most fastest way that I'm showing you online. If you have the application, you can also use the application, or if you want, just paste your link here and download. So what we're gonna do is copy the title, then come to this website, Rumble. Okay, now they ask me for my email address, so I have to set upload. See, go live and upload video. So I'm gonna here and click it. You see here, the video that I download is here. Then I'm gonna paste the title that I have copied from his page. Now in the description, if I want, I'll put, but I always prefer to put something there. And you can even choose a picture that you have taken in your computer to put it there also. Okay, so after the when you came here, it said upload to Sparta King Sparta, because I already have a channel here. So when you don't have it, they will ask you to create one, then you create. Here, no need for you to put something here. Okay, then what you're gonna do, upload it. So when you upload it here, they will ask you also who recorded. Just put me, because you have the right to use it. You can put any country you want. I always write India. Let me say Italy. So here you have to paste the YouTube link. But if you want, don't put nothing there. But I'm gonna say, like, if you want, you can download this video, put it in your YouTube channel, then you can paste your link here so that people will also like to view your channel. Yeah. So when you do that, let me just not put nothing there and came here. You have to agree in both conditions that they give you. Then you sweep. See, now here is the time for you to start getting money. You just click this green line and it will start loading. So how can you see if your videos have been monetized or not? It's very, very easy. Very easy to get. See, people are getting money from just a simple video. From 6-minute video, this guy get $14.55. This one $55.65. And when you go up, the more people get, the more people they show out from their video description. So what you going? Here is my account. So I'm going to view account overview. So account overview is the place where they put your money, and is the place that you can get your CPM and know everything that about your channel. So here said status analytic. Here also tells you every day what you get, every hour what you get, and your CPM rightly in the middle. Account option, so you can put account option, the phone number, transaction, about the payment. Here says payment, total amount month, what you get. You can even refer people your link to get more views from your friends and family members. Okay, here I said auto scanning, I don't follow it. You see here, I get all my videos monetized. It said ready to see a monetization pending. Here said my video have been monetized, and here also my video have been monetized. This video also is been monetized. So you see, I opened this channel yesterday, and the other channel also is working well since. Then I said let me open another channel also, so that things can be better. Okay, so this is it, people. You can just make money by just uploading video in rumble.com. It's like the YouTube channel, so don't worry about how I'm gonna make it. You don't need any experience. What you just need is just go to rumble.com with your computer, with your phone, and then get things done. Very, very easy. So you know what, please people, don't forget to watch till the end so that you can get the best tips. So this is the most easy thing. Just do this, then when you start getting money, they'll pay you back. You get it live in PayPal or in PayPal or in Bitcoin. So it's better PayPal also.